Okay, so we're starting the probability unit, and we're going to start out with Venn diagrams because it's just kind of a way to represent data. So this is Venn, V-E-N-N, not to be confused with Vin, V-I-N, diesel. So this is not a Venn diagram, although it is a Venn diagram, right? V-I-N. You're welcome. Okay. So the basic Venn diagrams look like this. If you Google them, they're all kind of examples. Now this example I don't entirely agree with, but we'll get to that. So you see two circles, right? You have a whales and you have fish. So everything that's in this, I guess, white with green circle, everything over here belongs with whales. So they have live births. They give birth to actual live baby calves. They come to the surface to breathe air, and apparently they have hair. This other circle is fish, and everything on the outside of this has to do with fish only. They have scales, they lay eggs, and they breathe water. This is not correct. So most fish do have scales, but sharks are fish, and they don't have scales, right? They have skin. Also, most fish do lay eggs, but there are certain breeds of sharks that don't lay eggs. They have live births. So tiger sharks, I think mako sharks, and possibly great whites, I don't remember, but there are several of them that actually give birth to live sharks. So these two aren't always correct. Now this part right here where they overlap, so like this part, or this live birth part could possibly be there. This part that overlaps, this is, and like they have that in common. This is part of both of them. So they both swim. Whales swim, fish swim. They both live in water, and they both have fins, right? So this is in common to both of them. So on your circles then, this is for the one part, this is for the other, and this overlapping part in the middle is for both of them. So if we took like an example, just in general, let's say we're looking at what people are wearing to class. So what students in class are wearing. So this is a big class. So let's say you have in this circle, let's say this is people wearing jeans. So some of the people are wearing jeans, some of them aren't. Some of them are wearing like khakis or leggings or shorts, right? Or skirts or kilts or whatever, just not jeans. And let's say some of the people have hoodies on because it gets kind of cold in the class. There you go. So these people over here are wearing jeans. These people over here are wearing hoodies. These people right here are wearing both. Let me see if I can, I don't know if I can shade this. Also, it's very possible that noises will happen. They're testing the PA system. I've already had to start this video like 4 times. Okay. See, can I draw? I think I can draw. Anyway, this middle that I would normally shade in, these would be the people wearing jeans and hoodies. So let me I'll put J and H. Let's see, I'll get fancy. Jeans and hoodies. I'm gonna make this really, really small. Maybe not that small. And I am going to spin it around. Then I'm going to put this, right in here. Ta-da, jeans and hoodies. So then, let's say there are 15 people wearing jeans. And let's say that there are 12 people wearing hoodies. And let's say that there are 8 people wearing both. And let's say there's this other number out here, and it is a 14. Okay, so what this all means is 15 people are wearing jeans but don't have hoodies on. 12 people have hoodies on but no jeans. 8 people have jeans and hoodies, and then 14 people don't have jeans or hoodies. So maybe they're wearing shorts and a t-shirt, or maybe they have leggings and a jacket. So if I add all of these up, this gives me the total number of students. So my total number So total students, I just add all of those up and it would be 49. So there are 49 students altogether, and I know that because I can add those up. And then this kind of breaks it down. So then after that, once we get a little bit deeper into probability, we'll be able to say, well, what's the probability if I select somebody at random that they're wearing jeans and a hoodie, right? So that's going to be in our probability. So we're going to talk about that next video. But this is our basic Venn diagram.